Bitcoin is on free fall. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Mass, with your host for the most, Rodrigo Arnedo. We have a very red day. We have nearly $150 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours. We are breaking all the lines, and we are even breaking $90,000, which was the line that we didn't want to break. We are, of course, breaking this moving average we were following, 100 days EMA, and now we broke the previous low and the last previous low and even this low, which means that right now we might go like really low. Do you think that it's going to happen, and how are you going to be? How are you going to be emotionally about all this? Share your comments below. Thank you very much. We wanted this to be the bounce in the moving average so that we started the bull run, but it seems that it's not gonna happen whatsoever. Here, this guy, Gareth Solowell, told us that it's very simple. It was just this line. If we broke this line, we are going to go down. If we would have gone to the previous highs, then 125K was an option. Right now, he's looking at 75K. That's crazy, but it seems that this is, this just air area that Bitcoin is going to fill really fast. We'll see about that. Luckily enough, we might have a gap. But any case, here, of course, as always, we are going to chill a little bit, and we are going to, be calm and consider what happened in the past. In the past, you can see here, we had a 32% drop when we did a very similar movement in the chart as we are doing right now. So, well, maybe we are going to have more bad crypto news, and we might go to $74,000, and that's okay. How can this be okay? Because eventually, in the medium to long term, we are going to keep on going higher. Remember, we also had this drop of 21%, 20% here, and also here and there at 23%. So you can see that from the beginning, November 2022, of this period for Bitcoin of happiness and Bitcoin price raising, well, right now we're going down, but we've had in the past, those falls that we are having right now, and that is just normal. We are in extreme fear, and we are so high in price. Remember extreme fear when we were at $1,000? Now we are above $80,000. And why is all this happening? Well, according to Mori Party, CEX, centralized exchanges, would be liquidating longs as they want to recover from the Bybit hack. So he is kind of accusing the exchanges of manipulation of the market. They want us to pay the price of that hack that we told you about in previous video. Also, we have bad news. Montana, North Dakota, and Wyoming all rejected bills for a state strategic Bitcoin reserve over volatility concerns. So that's a bad one too. And Kobayesi letter is trying to sum up here what's going on in the market, zooming out a little bit. So he will say that for the cryptosphere, well, most responsible would be Solana, as we have this crazy frenzy period of time where everybody would buy tokens, and now Solana started falling after Trump token, etc. And that's why, well, retail is out of the market now. So many scams, Libra, all that. So that would be for crypto. And for Bitcoin, it would be related with Standard & Poor's 500 and how, if the market is going down, then Bitcoin is going down too. Even though we have some good news that we are going to tell you about later. And of course, Bybit hack. Well, we told you that we might still have some consequences from that hack, and we are having them, of course. And today, as we are having the worst day in a long time in crypto, Sam Bankman-Fried just retweeted again after 2 years. So yeah, that's not good. Everybody is scared about that. People accusing all these four of the market going down, the end of the bull run, and rumors even that Sam Bankman-Fried was going to be released by Donald Trump. That's not gonna happen, I think. But yeah, everybody is concerned that Sam Bankman-Fried has somehow access to a computer. You see how the stock market went down yesterday, also in China, also in Japan, also gold is going down. So everything is going down right now. We can just be calm and try to focus in the medium to long term. And here, your friend Rodrigo Nieto, remember to smash the like button. Is going to do that with the chart. Can you see, as I can? Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice whatsoever. I have no idea what's going to happen. But can you see how similar is the movement we are having right now with the one that we had starting February 2024? So it's almost the same day, and you can see that the movement can be the same one. So if that's the case, we are living the worst right now. No, we are not. We're going to have more bad in July. It's going to be sad months if this comes true. But eventually, on February 2026, will be at market cap of the crypto world in $4 trillion. This is the market as a whole. And we are going to see this very same pattern when we talk about Bitcoin. And the idea can be that we are repeating just the same movement we had 1 year ago. We go to Bitcoin. Well, we go to that point last year, and we can have like a happy movement from there up. Seems it's not happening right now. So yeah, we can just delete it. If we are having the bad one, again, we're going to be patient till around July, and then we will start going up, and for the end of the year, 150. So yeah, today, terrible day, a lot of noise, as we've had in the past so many times already. In the middle of 2021, Bitcoin drew down 56%, Ethereum 61%, Solana 67%, and many others were around 70 to 80% down. In 2017, you can see it's quite similar also with those falls of Bitcoin. Remember that we were comparing the situation right now with 2017, 2023, or 2024. Right now, I believe 2023 is the winner. It's okay. Both these three scenarios end on Bitcoin going higher. And remember, this video here, watch them all. The one where we talk about the 4-year cycle, you should watch it again so that you got perspective about the 1,400 days to the top of Bitcoin. We believe this is not over. Go and watch the video. Even though right now everything is in the red, but IP, we told you about that. Hood, Broccoli, Libra, the ones Trump, the ones with huge volume, but some losses out there. Go to dexturs.io to learn everything about it. And now my Trump is so close to $8. I told you I would buy more of this crazy stupid thing because I have to do it. It's not rational. I want I want my position back, and I believe if we go all the way to $8, then it will go back to close to 60 one day. We'll see about that. We are not rich, we are pre-rich still, and we need this kind of Rolex that your mom can create for you. But we have so many good news again for our optimism. So Michael Saylor buying a lot of Bitcoin again, he did buy like 2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Even though he did that, the market is crashing because the other reasons I told you about. Also, what about Najib Bukele? He said, "Woe ye of little faith," and he bought 8 Bitcoin. So we don't really know what happened. Maybe the transactions were stuck in the mempool. I don't know. Thing is that Najib Bukele and El Salvador is back on track buying Bitcoin. Also, banks are coming in full force. 6 trillion is State Street and Citibank to launch Bitcoin in crypto custody. This is huge, as is huge that 64 billion asset manager Citadel to offer crypto trading and become liquidity provider for cryptocurrencies. This and also these other news are good for the market. Robinhood is now out of sight of the SEC. The SEC closed investigation into Robinhood crypto without taking action. And with OKX, well, they had to pay $84 million, which is nothing for them. And now they are in the clear. One of my favorite exchanges. Also, the SEC acknowledged the Grayscale ADA ETF. Remember, you can validate with us in our pool called Fanon with the best conditions, in my opinion. Thank you very much for being part of that. And Canary, solicited at ETF for spot HBAR on NASDAQ. They filled for that spot ETF. Also good to know that Apple announced a record $500 billion investment in the United States of America. So we need more of this news to turn the market around. Bitcoin in free fall as we speak. We need the dollar to break this line. It's not doing it. So yeah, remember these charts. Those are started to come into fruition. We don't want that. But at the same time, maybe it's the best opportunity right now for buying some crypto with Bitpanda, as these 6 million people did already. It's the best exchange in Europe. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. And you can earn up to 7,500 with the promotion that they are having right now. Go there, watch it, and decide if you think this is a good opportunity, which is the cryptocurrency from Bitpanda or Bitpanda Fusion that you want to buy or trade. And let me tell you to end this video that we keep on having this bad news from Europe, from Spain, people that they lose their house because it's occupied and they have nothing to do. Also, it keeps on showing crypto Twitter more and more things of, not safety in the streets, bad things occurring. And yeah, all this brings me the idea that I'm so happy in Dubai. And also, this is becoming the center in the world for cryptocurrencies. Now we have this good piece of information. USDC and EuroZ are the first stable coins recognized in Dubai International Financial Center. So yeah, you can see how here we are betting strong into crypto. You might come to live here in Dubai, or maybe you want to go to the Basque Country in Spain. Why is that? Well, my friend Jesus Lorente just told me, if you want to listen, go to the Spanish version of this video, that the authority there said that FIFO is over for their citizens. So this was something that stopped everybody from using Bitcoin. That means that the Bitcoin that you are spending today is the Bitcoin that you bought maybe 10 years ago, which means that if you want to buy a lollipop, you are going to pay an extra 21%, for example, for that lollipop, which is crazy in my mind. I get so mad with this. Now, finally, regulator there says that it's nonsense. So maybe finally Spain will say the same and people can start using finally Bitcoin as everybody can all over the world. Well, crazy stuff that only happens in Spain and in Europe. And that's why everybody that we are living. CL Crypto is your channel for all this kind of stuff. Watch all his videos. And remember that if you want to track your portfolio and you want to do your tax report, you have the link in the description to 10% discount on coin tracking, the best tool in order to doing so. And about regulations, also, Michael Saylor is going to meet with the SEC Crypto Task Force this very Friday. So maybe he will change their minds and they will have a good regulatory frame. Even though remember that Michael Saylor is a Bitcoin maximalist. So maybe he speaks bad about the rest of the crypto sphere. And talking about weird stuff, did you know that you have this kind of masks? You see this guy? And now he's going to use this Walter White mask, and it's so crazy. Maybe, well, if you talk with him, you will notice it's not him, but in a video, or if he's far away, well, be careful because they can't trick you. I had no idea this exists. So again, be very careful out there. Today, I am a little concerned. I've driven through the food, but I'm just watching today so many crazy stuff out there on Twitter. So let's also focus on that. Remember that happiness is reality minus expectations. So expect having fun and enjoy life watching video cuts. Not this one. This guy is so crazy. He can't stand anymore the market conditions. And that's why he's making these crazy noises. No problem. Let's wait. Let's be patient. Wait learning about AI with our channel, Inteligencia Artificial. Watch it right now. Or keep on learning here in this channel, Rodrigo Arnedo, Noticias, Bitcoin, Crypto News, Fun on the Ride, Health, Money, Love, Power in Peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!